going on, YouTube? So everything's installed with the electric power steering. Figured I'd take it out for a test drive today and see how it does. Wanted to give you guys an idea. I'm in a little parking lot here and show you how easy it is to turn and steer. And the good thing about this system is it's fully adjustable, so wide open seems like it doesn't have enough feedback from the tires driving down the road. So right in the middle is where I like to have it, but if I'm off-roading and I'm on the rocks, wide open might be right where I want it. So I'll go ahead and turn the camera around and we'll show you how easy this thing is to steer. Alright, so we're sitting here in a parking lot. Go ahead and turn this all the way to 0. I'm going to turn the ignition to the on position because the good thing about electric power steering is it will work without having to actually have the vehicle running. So in 0, or when the knob's all the way to the lowest setting, it's just normal. You got to really crank on this thing to get it moving. If I turn the knob, let's say halfway where I like to have it, and give it a second, there's a 2 or 3 second delay. Now I can just spin this wheel no problem. Okay, and if I turn it all the way to the highest setting and then wait a few seconds, I should be able to take it here with one finger. Look at that. I can spin it completely around with just one finger. So now I'm going to turn it back down to the middle where I like it. We'll start this thing up and go do a little bit of parking. Again, I'm just driving here real easy, just like a normal modern day car. No issues at all. I even have a spool in the rear end of this, so it makes it even more difficult to drive. Alright, so now we're backing up here. And it's just so smooth. Couldn't ask for it to be any better.